If you're an online business builder in network marketing, affiliate marketing, coaching, consulting, digital products, you name it, and you're wondering, do I really need a Facebook business page? Why do I need it? What can I even do with it? Is it worth my time? Then you're in the perfect place. I'm Adrienne with Build a Life by Design, and today I'm going to walk you through the benefits of having a Facebook business page, how you can actually use it in your favor, and how you can use it to actually not only increase your know, like, and trust factor with your network, but to get more sales, to connect with more of your ideal customer, not just any random person, but the ideal person, and how you can really use it to take your business to the next level. So to do that today, I'm going to do a little bit of screen sharing with you because sometimes it's just easier to show than to tell, but I'll do a mix of show and tell. So I'll show you everything you need to know. So let's jump into it. The first reason it's super helpful to have a Facebook business page is because you can use something called audience insights. And here's what that looks like and how you can use it in your favor. Let's take a look at my desktop.
So what we're looking at right now is the audience insights portion of a Facebook ads manager account. Inside of your ads account, you can do a lot of audience research about your ideal customer. And now in the main screen, it's actually showing you how many people fit that specific profile. So you'll see that roughly 500,000 people fit this profile. You can see where the ages fall. Now here's where it gets really fun, you guys. These next few sections here across the top. Facebook will tell you all the types of pages that they like, right? And because Facebook owns Instagram, you know, it's the things that they like are the things that they like. They're probably going to like them on Instagram too, right? This is a page that she would probably like, a show that she probably watches, right? A health and wellness website that she might love, the clothing brands that she's most likely to buy or wear, the stores she's most likely to shop at, websites that she goes to, tons of information. And you can see, you can learn a lot about your ideal customer by looking at the data Facebook has on her, right? Imagine all this knowledge you now have about your target customer. You could translate that into posts that are going to resonate with her, emails that are going to resonate with her, offers that are going to resonate with her, right? You can speak to her because you know who she is, right? You can run ads to her that are really going to grab her attention.
So as you can see, you can learn a lot about your ideal customer or your ideal client. And because you now know so much about them, that enables tip number 2, or reason number 2, that it helps to have a Facebook business page. You can now use those insights to attract tons, and I mean tons, of your ideal client or ideal customer to your business page so they can see your offers, right? And there's lots of different ways to do that, but they are all enabled by reason number 3, which is that you have an ads account once you open a Facebook business page. And a lot of people are afraid of using Facebook ads because they're a little bit unclear. It can be a little scary to move into the paid ad space, but not all ads have to be expensive. In fact, a few of the ways that you can run ads to your page are super inexpensive, and they can get thousands of your ideal customer into your audience. So even for small amounts of spend, you can attract the perfect person to your page to see your videos, see your offers, see your posts, see the free value that you're giving, and see that you truly have a heart to serve and help. They're going to stick around, you guys. And a lot of them will become customers, or maybe even fans, or even super fans. Super fans are people who love all your stuff and they buy like everything you create or offer or sell. Super fans are pretty awesome, but you can't find them and you can't necessarily attract them in great numbers if you don't have the audience insights. If you don't have the ability to place any kind of paid ads, you're really limiting your reach. So those are the reasons that I particularly think that it's super helpful to have a Facebook business page. It's important to note that you cannot be effective with using these strategies unless you're branding yourself and you're branding your services rather than branding the companies you rep, right? So that's always the truth of the matter, you guys. Brand yourself, brand your services. Don't just rely on the branding that the company that you rep gives you. because it's not always legal to place ads for certain types of companies, but you can always place ads for your own branding, for your own services. So if you're wondering, like, what do you mean? Here's a great example. It's against Facebook policy, and it's against a lot of network marketing company policies to directly market your network marketing company, right? You can't do that. But let's say that in order to serve a person who's interested in starting a network marketing business, they need to learn the ins and outs of how to be successful in network marketing, right? You could brand a training directed at that audience, teaching them how to be successful in network marketing. And at the end of the training, you can offer them the opportunity to work with you. So you've not marketed your network marketing company, you've marketed yourself. You've marketed your training, and you've marketed how you can help that person, right? So it's just a little loophole of how to get around some of these restrictions that you may have. Okay, so that's just one example of how that works. I hope that was helpful, you guys. I hope that you can see that with these super solid 3 reasons why it's really helpful to have a business page, it might have you reconsidering your stance on that. I'm Adrienne with Build a Life by Design, and I help people to build 6-figure incomes from home so they can have true freedom in their lives. Get out of the hamster wheel, get out of the 9-to-5 box, get out of the cycle of eat, work, sleep, repeat that has them feeling unfulfilled and empty. So if that's where you're at, I totally get it. I was there too. Subscribe to my channel and I will help you to get yourself out of that cycle. You can subscribe by either finding the link somewhere in the description or by waiting for my logo to pop up over here. And as always, stick around for the next video that'll pop up over here. I truly aim to make every one of them more awesome than the last one. So stick around and I'll share more tips, tricks, and tools with you. Bye, guys.